question, why are we embarking on coaching? Why UMCCD? We are embarking on coaching. So again, in line with our vision to be a renowned center of excellence for continuing education program in the country, and to provide learning and training opportunities to the working public in order to upgrade their knowledge, skills, and capacity toward the development of human capital in the nation. Why coaching program? First, we have the capability to pioneer. In fact, I believe we are the pioneer in this program, coaching program. We have the experience, we have the vast experience training, and we have established network with the industries and professional coaches. We have linked with the International Coaching Federation as well. And up to now, we have received recognition from various sectors, from public sectors as well as public sectors. Example from MARA, from SMIDAC, Petronas, SIRIN, Telekom Malaysia, Matrix, DG, so on and so forth. And we have produced up to now more than 100 coaches already in the market. Coaching started with the launching of a seminar on business coaching for SME by the former Minister of International Trade Industry, then Rafidah Aziz, on the 14th of August 2004. And here the survey very much applicable in the business sector, business community. Coaching works well with senior managers as well as managers at all levels. If you combine them, you have almost 74%. Even CEOs also subscribe to coaching. And then tangible benefits of coaching. What are the benefits of coaching? Number one, it has been proven that coaching will increase the organizational productivity to 88%. And again, mentioned earlier, training accompanied by coaching can improve performance by 88%, rather than just training alone, which improve performance only by 22%. And this is a graph here, pictorial graph. You can see if there is no coaching, just slight improvement on the behavior and slight improvement on the result. Somehow there's a dip just after training. But if you complement training with coaching, very big jump in terms of performance, increase in good behavior, increase, and the result also will increase. Greatly increase the result, really increase the behavior. Coaching produces 529% return on investment and significant intangible benefit to the business. This is from Metric Global Survey. Investment on coaching was way below training expenses, and coaching exhibited an enormous payback of between 2,000 to 300%. This is from another study, Geoff Hinsley study. Output of executive involved in coaching program averaged nearly 5.7 times higher than the initial investment. Again, this from another review, Manchester Review 2001. And up to 40% of Fortune 500 companies hire coaches to improve their businesses. It's from Fast Company magazine, US. Companies who use executive coaching in their leadership development program experience an average of 600 return on investment from Fortune 1000 executive study. And this, I'm giving you an example of Fortune 500 companies. You can see all big companies and from many industries, from telecommunication, from financial insurance and insurance, from transportation and manufacturing and construction, from energy, from consulting and professional services, entertainment, retail, from non-profit, government, and also educational, from high-tech. And again, list of all those big companies, giants, and they all believe in coaching, which will help them in improving their performance and their business. Next, I will go to the coaching program, what we are offering from UMCCED. The program, the structure, we put it in two levels, level 1 for 9 sessions and level 2, 3 sessions. These are every Saturdays, 1 day session, 1 session, 1 day, every Saturday. Duration 12 months, and the time from 9 to 5 p.m. The program is specially designed to train participants to be a qualified, masterful and effective coaches in business and in organizational success. As soon as you complete the program, we believe you will be a qualified certified coach, because you will be spending a real coaching more than 65 hours when you complete the whole program. And upon completion of the training, the participant shall be awarded with the certified business or executive coach certificate. This is on the left hand side. You see the example of the certificate that we will issue to you as soon as you complete the program. Why UMCCED certified coaching training program? What we are offering you will be very practical. A lot of role play, a lot of real-time one-to-one coaching, very much focused. We go for skills-oriented. We have experienced and qualified coach trainers. There are a few of them are well qualified and recognized internationally at affordable fees and with affordable arrangement, payment mode. Weekend classes only on Saturdays. And you will get a certificate recognized by, issued by University of Malaya. Minimum entry bachelor degree in any discipline recognized by UM with 5 years working experience, or if there's no degree, we need a non-degree holders with 5 years working experience to be considered through an interview session. Learning method, we apply all the method which will be more effective, we believe, including questionnaires, lectures, exercises, role plays, group discussion, presentation, intensive coach practice session, one-to-one coaching, and we will support that with a mentor coach arrangement for all our coaches. Here you are, the number of hours. At level 1, you'll be spending 55 hours coaching in the classroom environment. We provide basic foundation, fundamental, the coaching structure, coaching model, coaching process. And level 2, you will spend 18 hours, 3 sessions, and the rest will be coaching practical. We believe a lot on doing it, not only teaching, but not only training, but doing it, real coaching practice. So you will get 138 hours, and with this one, you can easily, will help you to apply for certification internationally recognized by ICF, International Coaching Federation, based in US.